talk about the transition from one page to another while using HTML and CSS. So let me tell you how it works. I have created two pages, that is page 01.html basically extension to the page number 1, and page 02, that is the extension of that page is also .html. So now let's code inside it that what would we need for it to transit from one page to another. So this is my basic code for HTML page, that is HTML, and I'm to provide head section, and head section we provide usually we mention the title of that page. So the title is, let's say this is page 01, and now I'm going to provide the main section, that is the body section, in which we need to code. So here I provide let's suppose this is heading number 1, and inside that heading I write over there that is let's say this is home section, this is home, and this is my paragraph I want to show when I load my browser. So let's say we write this is the page for HTML, now let's copy that and paste it on another page. So this is save both the pages while pressing Ctrl S, or you can also do that from this section, that is file. So save also that, and now load it. I have saved my file on the desktop, that is page 01 with the extension of .html, and page 02 with the extension of .html. So I can run it as I have already loaded. This is home, and this is home section, and this is, oh sorry, I have just copied the code but I didn't have made some changes. Now let me to make some changes inside this so that we can distinguish between these two. This is my page 02, and let me write over here, this is, let's say, notification page. This is notification page, this is the notification page for HTML. Save it and reload your browser. This is notification page. Now you can see this is home page, this is page 01, is basically displaying that home, this is home page, this is the page for HTML that we have just mentioned, and the heading number 1 and paragraph. And in page 02 we didn't have, this is basically page 01 because we didn't have made changes to the title section. So let's first make changes to the title section and change it from 1 to 2 and save it. And now let's once again reload our page, that is page 02. So now what we are to change inside, or what kind of information we are to provide so that we could shift from one page to another. So now let's see how it works. And page 01, firstly let's suppose there I'm going to provide the address of the page 02. This is, first you need to provide or create a link. This is let's say page, the name of that page is page 0, sorry, an href. You are to provide the name of that page 02.html, and you need to closing tag as well, and this is page 01, sorry, page 02. Now save it, and let us make the same kind of the link inside the link number 2. So here I'm going to create another link, this is, and providing the reference of that page. This is page 01.html, and let's code some here like page 01. Saved it and reload your browser. This is page 01 link, and here is the link of page 01. Sorry, I didn't have made changes. I'm provided. Here you need to make some changes. This is basically the problem was here that we had reloaded our page, so I have reloaded my page, and now you can see that here is, let me refresh it, this is page 02 and it is the link of page 01. So while clicking on page 02 I have been shifted to notification page, while clicking on page 01 I have been shifted to page number 1. So hope you have liked my video. Thank you so much.